To unlock front panel, rotate knobs in anti-clockwise direction. Release clip before removing front panel. To enter into maintenance bypass operation, turn on internal maintenance breaker switch. UPS brought into maintenance bypass operation. Now unfasten screws of power module. Pull out faulty power module. This way replace new power module carefully. Tighten both screws. Deactivate internal maintenance breaker using IMB switch. Attach clip before closing front panel. Rotate knobs in clockwise direction to lock front panel. Hey mate, your task has been completed. Thanks for your time.